What's going on, guys? Kaiser here from keyserreveal. Now this was supposed to be a review of the Synapse 3 in the Audio Visualizer app, but I couldn't get the Synapse app to work. But basically these apps sync your games and music with your Razer Chroma and Philips Hue devices. Now I was able to get the Audio Visualizer to work, and that's how I was able to sync the lights that you're about to see with the music. In addition to that, I'll also be giving away these Razer products, so stick around to see how you can enter. With that said, let's get to it. So this is where I create all the content for the channel. I also do some PC and console gaming, as well as relax and listen to some music in here. So let's start with my most recent desk setup. This is my mid-2012 15-inch MacBook Pro. I picked this up somewhere around 2015. Alright, so that intro was a quick look at how the Audio Visualizer works with Razer Chroma and Philips Hue devices. Now there is about a half a second delay, but it's really not too noticeable once you get into it. And it's definitely a cool way to rock out to some of your favorite music. Now I'm still working with Razer support to figure out why I can only get the Synapse app to work with Razer devices and not my Philips Hue. So I'll probably revisit that later. Now if you guys want to check out the Audio Visualizer, I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, so now on to the giveaway. Now there'll be 4 winners in this giveaway. One person will win the Ornata Chroma keyboard, one person will win the Firefly mousepad, one person will win the Kraken USB headphones, and one person will win the Death Adder Expert mouse and the Goliathus Speed mousepad. To enter, simply click on the link in the description, and on April 4th, I'll announce the winners on Twitter. So until then, thank you guys for helping the channel reach 1 million views. Good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.